Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're going to draw one of my kids' favorite characters, and that's this little green guy here. It's the Incredible Hulk, so let's not wait any longer and let's go! So I thought it was a fun idea to draw the transformation of Bruce Banner into the Hulk. This is always such a cool moment in the comics and the movies as well. The Hulk is one of the first comics I ever read and is one of my favorite characters since then. I always liked the inner struggle of both Dr. Bruce Banner and his alter ego, which gives the stories more depth. And if you want a good reading tip for a great Hulk story, please check out Planet Hulk. It's available as a trade paperback and I really like that story and the art is just amazing. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. The Hulk is a fictional superhero appearing in publications by the American publisher Marvel Comics. Created by writer Stan Lee and artist Jack Kirby, the character first appeared in the debut issue of The Incredible Hulk in May 1962. In the comic book appearances, the character is both the Hulk, a green-skinned, hulking and muscular humanoid possessing a vast degree of physical strength, and his alter ego, Dr. Robert Bruce Banner, a physically weak, socially withdrawn and emotionally reserved physicist. The two exist as independent dissociative personalities and resent each other. Following his accidental exposure to gamma rays saving the life of Rick Jones during the detonation of an experimental bomb, Banner is physically transformed into the Hulk when subjected to emotional stress, at or against his will, often leading to destructive rampages and conflicts that complicate Banner's civilian life. The Hulk's level of strength is normally conveyed as proportionate to his level of anger. Stan Lee stated that the Hulk's creation was inspired by a combination of Frankenstein and Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and although the Hulk's coloration has varied throughout the character's publication history, the most usual color is of course green. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Inking time! Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of the Hulk, and tell me, are there some other Marvel characters you would like me to draw as well? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, share this content on other social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!